In today's connected world, customer expectations are higher than ever. They want to know what's going on with their requests at all times. Customers want real-time engagement. Can you support that? Do your customers wonder about the status of their requests? Does your team even have a way to track and respond as needed, efficiently? Losing touch with customers is a formula for disaster. But throwing a room full of developers to automate a manual-driven process is expensive and not the answer. And we all know how difficult it can be to change your system of record to improve customer experience. But what if there was a better way? What if there was a proven platform that avoids the cost, time, and complications of integrating with your customer experience solutions? If you feel like you're losing touch with your customers, or your customers are losing touch with you, we can help. At BerkOne, we streamline the experience and communication process with proven solutions that deliver the treatment customers demand and deserve. When you're looking to bridge the gap between customers using their preferred method of communication and your team, we've got the answer. With every status change, our industry-leading software updates your customers and your systems while providing instantaneous visibility to your team members. This keeps customers happy while measuring what matters most. From customer onboarding through all stages of the customer lifecycle using any communication path, BerkOne has you covered, and we can do it all on-premise or hosted in the cloud. To learn more about how we've streamlined the customer experience for others and how we can help with your specific challenges, contact us today.